Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, viewers, this is the second part. Hinduism, a way of life, a religious belief, broad range of belief, little tradition rooted in one region and linked to localized folk tradition, great tradition, classical central belief. Hinduism, great tradition based on combination of Harappa people original inhabitants 4500 BC, Arya 1500 BC. Number 1, invents text written in the ancient Sanskrit. Most of Hindus worship a number of gods and goddesses, but some difference between Shiva, Vishnu. Shiva, the creator and destroyer of universe. Vishnu, preserver of universe. Ganesha, god of knowledge. Hindu concept of divinity somewhat flexible. All gods are merely illusory manifestation of the ultimate divinity, which is formless and infinite. Some very devout Hindus don't worship any god for this reason. 4 central tenets. Belief in reincarnation. If you desire the illusionary pleasure and pains of life, you will be reborn after you die. Inevitability of hierarchical life and afterlife. Rigid social structure defined through the caste system. Godness of holy men and their rejection of material things. All creatures are ranked with a human on top. One's condition in life, plant and animal, human is determined by karma, deeds done by previous lives. Ultimate goal, liberation from cycle of rebirth and redeath. Achieve salvation and external peace through the union with Brahma and the universal soul. Humans are divided into caste system for dividing society into hereditary hierarchical classes. One is born into a given subcaste, jati, and that largely define one's experience for life. Where you live, where and with whom you can eat and drink, with whom you will socialize, who you marry, type of job. If one conforms the prescribed social and ritual duties and observe the rules of the conduct for the assigned caste, better chance of promotion to higher caste in the next life. A caste represents a group of jatis tied together by a set of associated characteristics. Jati, often linked to particular places. Example, village, neighborhood, often with a particular language or dialectics segregated. Higher caste jatis will not be ritually polluted by sharing water or food. Caste Brahmas, priestly caste, most privilege in ritual, most must conform to ritually pure practice. Strict vegetarianism. Kshatris, warriors and rulers. Vaishyas, land doing farmer and merchant. Sudars, low status labor and artisan. Harijans, Dalit, untouchable, technically considered so slow as to not be caste. Don't drink dirty work. Do the dirty work, killing animal, tent heights, sweeping and cleaning. Caste is different from class. Class difference within caste group. Just because you are lower caste doesn't mean you are poor. Often in the case, however, caste banned from 1947 Constitution. Affirmative action progress. Increase participation of lower caste in higher education. Place set aside in parliament for lower caste. Slowing declining age force in society, especially in cities where people can separate from their ancestral jati. Bastes, slum immigrant neighborhood in cities that have strong jati identity. Buddhism, founded in 6th century BC, in part as rejection of Hinduism. Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha enlightened one, a moral philosophy offers an explanation for evil and human suffering rather than a formal religion. For noble truth, existence involves suffering. Suffering is the result of desire. Pain ceases when desire is destroyed. The destruction of desire comes through knowledge of correct behavior and thought. Borobudur, Indonesia, largest Buddhist monument in the world, also maintain the concept of karma, ultimate goal, nirvana, a condition of a perfect enlightenment and the cessation of successive rebirth. Buddhist missionaries instructed to carry his message but open all castes, creeds and peoples. So this is all about the culture and cultural group, cultural region, landscape, religion, Islam, fundamental of Islam, fundamentalism and Islam, North America and Southeast Asia, Shia Sunni, geography of Sunni Shia, Hinduism, caste system, Buddhism, noble truth of Buddhism. So friends, hope you enjoy the lecture. Please feedback, subscribe, share and comment on our channel. Please. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.